Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Title: Understanding and Utilizing the Keys, Method in Python Dictionaries. Introduction. Dictionaries in Python are powerful data structures that allow you to store and retrieve data using key-value pairs. The keys method is a built-in method in Python that provides a convenient way to extract a view of all the keys present in a dictionary. This tutorial will guide you through the usage of the keys method with detailed explanations and practical examples. None. A view object that displays a list of all keys in the dictionary. Let's start with a simple example to illustrate the basic usage of the keys method. Iterating through keys. Checking if a key exists. Converting keys to a list. Combining with other methods.